Welcome! If you want to enable notification sounds for when a viewer leaves your Discord server using Discord Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Discord has made it easier than ever to customize your notification sounds so you never miss a moment in your community. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download any additional software. Just head to the Discord website and log in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon right next to your username. Click on this gear icon to open your user settings. This is where all your personal preferences and customization options live. Now, in the User Settings menu, find and select the Notifications tab from the sidebar on the left. This section controls all your notification preferences, including sounds for different events and actions within Discord. Scroll down until you see the Sounds section. Here, Discord lists all the different notification sounds you can enable or disable. Look for the option labeled Viewer Leave. This setting controls whether you'll hear a sound whenever someone leaves your server or channel. To enable the notification, simply toggle the switch next to Viewer Leave. Once it's on, you'll immediately start receiving a sound alert every time a viewer leaves, helping you stay on top of what's happening in your server. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make sure you're always notified when someone leaves your Discord server, keeping you connected and in control of your community. If you ever want to turn this sound off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. Discord's notification settings are flexible, so you can adjust them anytime to fit your needs. Thanks for tuning in. Now you know exactly how to enable viewer leave notification sounds on Discord Web for PC with the new update. Stay connected and enjoy your Discord experience.